Hello students, now in this video we will discuss the relative velocity in terms of position time graph. Due to the different velocity of the objects A and B, the graphs is like that. This graph shows that velocity of A is less because this angle is less as compared to this angle. This angle is greater, this angle is less. That means velocity of A is less than velocity of B. It will be like that. Okay. The graph means angle, this angle and this angle both are same. That means velocity of A is equals to velocity of B. Okay, here what you will see that angle made by A, this is theta and this is also theta. Velocity of A is greater than velocity of B. Velocity of A is greater than velocity of B. What you will see here that position of B is greater as compared to position A. Okay, means here if you take position of B with respect to A, position of B minus position of A, position of B minus position of A, because B is greater, A is less. That means it is positive. Here at the, because both the position is same, that means at the same time at here position is same. At that point or here up to that point, relative position of B with respect to A is positive, but here at the same time at the point of intersection, the relative position of B with respect to A, that is equals to 0. But here what you will see that position of B is less as compared to position of A. Here what you will see that position of B with respect to A, relative position of B with respect to A, that is negative. Hope you are understanding. Okay, means this area have negative relative position of B with respect to A. If you reverse, means velocity of position of A with respect to B, here it will be negative, here it will be positive, and at the point of intersection the relative velocity of A with respect to B, while reversing, velocity of A with respect to B will be 0. Here what you will see that position of B with respect to A or A with respect to B, that is equals to always 0, because both the velocity is same. Here what you will see that velocity of B with respect to A, because B is greater, A is lesser, velocity of B with respect to A is always positive, and velocity of A with respect to B is always negative. Hope you understand. This is very easy, and this is the end of this chapter. And now we will solve more and more problems from this chapter. Then we will study chapter number 4.